Hair loss is a common condition that can have a huge impact on one's self-confidence, but with a hair transplant you can achieve a fuller, thicker head of hair. But most patients understand very little about the number of grafts needed to achieve their ideal results. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Today I'm going to tell you how we determine the number of grafts needed for your hair transplant. Before getting into how many grafts are needed for your desired look, let's take a look at what grafts are. A graft can be simply defined as a follicular unit. Each graft may contain several hair follicles. On average, a graft has about 2 hair follicles, but this number can vary from graft to graft. People often ask me how many grafts they need, which is a rather tricky question to answer. Let's look at an example to help you understand what I'm talking about. Say you are getting a hair transplant with 1,000 grafts. This number tells you almost nothing about the coverage you can expect in the end. 1,000 grafts could mean that you are getting 1,500 hairs, 2,000 hairs, or if you are lucky, even 3,000 hairs transplanted. So the number of hair grafts tells you very little in terms of the end result. The important thing is the number of healthy hair follicles in those grafts. The number of grafts needed for a successful hair restoration treatment will depend on a variety of factors. This includes the size of the area being treated. In general, the larger the area being treated, the more grafts will be needed. The doctors also consider the overall density of your hair and if you have existing hairs in the area you'd like to treat. The number of hair grafts needed may also depend on your hair type. Generally, individuals with thicker, coarser hair will require fewer grafts than those with finer, thinner hair. Last but not least, the hair transplant specialist will consider how many grafts you have available in the donor area. And while taking out as many as possible in one go might sound great, it's not the best approach. Harvesting 4,000 to 5,000 grafts in one session can lead to several complications. It can compromise the recovery of the recipient area and the regrowth. It can lead to further hair loss, and it can deplete the donor area. So even if you have extensive thinning or baldness, these are the reasons why your specialist will recommend 2 to 3 smaller sessions to build up your density. Hair transplantation is the best way to restore density and resolve your hair loss issues once and for all. To achieve the desired results, it is important to use the correct number of grafts. But as you can see, the number of grafts you will need depend on factors unique to your case. This is why a consultation with a skilled hair restoration specialist is the best way to accurately determine how many grafts you need. During the consultation, the specialist will assess your scalp, hair loss pattern and the desired results of the treatment. Do you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.